Hello friends, welcome to my channel Top Reviews. Let's do a unboxing of Blue Snowball Ice USB microphone. So we'll just skip this cutting part. So guys, here comes our Blue Snowball Ice. You can see the box and the plastic too. So here is a look of the box. It's a very clean look. I think they have changed the box because the box which I've seen the reviews, the box was blue. It's a Skype certified as well as Discord certified. You can see it is manufactured by Logitech Asia, and here are some features listed over here: crystal clear audio and everything. Here are its components, and it's a plug and play USB microphone. Don't require any drivers for this microphone. It's a USB. So this is the overview. So let's open, guys. I need to cut the plastic. So here is our first box which has the microphone. Okay, so let's skip that aside and we'll check out what's in there in the accessories part. We have, let's see what we have inside. What is it, guys? What it will be? Probably a cable and stand. Oh, we have a manual. You can see the manual, big manual. If you have time, then you can read it out. But it's a simple microphone, guys. This is the USB cable. One end it's a USB, and in another end it's a new improvised pin they have introduced in this microphone, latest microphone. You can see the pin which you have to insert in the microphone. It's a new one. Earlier it used to come in a different model. The different version was there. And here comes the the stand. It's not that a long stand. It's metal, guys. Above there is a threading to put your microphone. You can open up this three this thing stands. This is a metal to metal sound, guys, if you want to hear. So let's see what's inside. There is some safety leaflets. Okay, so let's keep this aside because I need to make space for my big microphone. So here comes the, what do we call that, Is it a cricket ball? It looks like a cricket ball, man. So it's it feels very nice to hold it. It's a very you know cute ball which delivers high quality sound. Currently the sound is coming directly from this microphone because I've recorded this video earlier. I'm just giving the narrations right now. So the voice which you are hearing is directly from this microphone. So lights on. You can see the clean look, guys. This Blue company, it's this is manufactured by Logitech. Obviously the product would be a very nice product, and it is indeed, because you can hear the difference of my voice. It's from Blue Snowball Ice, and I have also attached now the pop filter, which I'll be doing a review in my next video. So let's place it on the table. Just roll few times, fix it on top. That's it, guys. Don't tight it too much, and you can rotate it in this way as per your convenience. Yeah, so that's Blue Snowball Ice, guys. See, guys, it's a rotational view. So the design is very cool, guys. It looks very clear. It's a blue microphone, but it's white. I had waited a lot for that black one to available, but it was not getting available, and I was requiring the microphone to do my review videos. So I ordered this one from Amazon, and within a 2-3 days I got this microphone. It's a very nice experience with this microphone till yet, because I have never heard my voice in these dimensions, guys. So definitely, and I'll be sharing my review video in next video, where I'm going to let you know its all features, what softwares you should use, and everything. So if you like this video, guys, please subscribe my channel and stay connected with us.